At last, sa wakas, ito si General Bragais. Nakakuha niya. Nakakuha na niya yung kanyang unang field goal. ISO. The deadly isolation by CJ Del Pino! And deadly iso! Pagkas may it naman. Perfect free. Wala sa isa't isa yung mga shooters dito ng active level up of General Bragais will get the basket and the foul mixed to labot. Bababa. Here comes.
Ayun na, si CJ Del Pino, may buhok na. May 8.
For the general, we cross over.
General Bragais! Ito na! Kising na! Yung mama unang kita na!
Bragais, balik dito kay CJ Del Pino. Del Pino, set up the attack, ISO. The deadly isolation by CJ Del Pino!
And deadly iso! Pagkas may it naman.
Perfect free, double team. That's still by Gigante. Gigante, toe down.
Si CJ Del Pino, sa opensa naman, ito si King Arthur.
There's a move. There's a move after right there. 3-point shots.
Ang singko na lang. 3-point shot, James Pino.
Los Santos will get the rebound. Apat na minuto pa tayo. Del Pino, behind back. Del Pino looking for his teammate. What a blind pass by Del Pino. Wow. For the Borat Nanay Providence, Jen Mark, the Tossi.
Ang singko na lang.
James Pino, 14-30. Down by number 0. The King Arthur.
Get the connection. What the contact.
Gemma Bragais. Screen. Pass to Tosi. Great. Peña. Pangatang 3 kay Tosi ang 5. CJ Del Pino. Goal. Screen. Del Pino.
Pagpapalik ni Tasmanian Devil.
Furin Lubao. 38-20. General Santos behind back. The crossover. Sabay preno. Malakas tumihan. Wow!
What the move? Back again.
Champion will never let you down. Here comes Del Pino. Back to the Super MVP. Tingnan bagay sa mundo ng tao. Henry. First up is 10 points, third quarter, the dependent natin sa yung kanilang kalabangan. Now by number 12. Nice catch. The Super MVP. 30-game clock for Gemma Bragais. Figure out sa kanya pa rin. Gemma! Diba? Tapos na. Ayun ko yun. Sige po. Justin Bautista, 15-second shot clock. Justin. Another time rule. In 30 minutes, there's a new challenge speed. Now, here comes the General Bragais. Nagmamagaling. Sabi ng ating mga players from the level up, General Bragais wala ka sa Mindanao, nasa Lubao. Now, here comes the General Bragais. Best of 3 series semi-finals from your Nanay Providence against from your PM JBM Level Up Lugao. Alam natin, they are all-star from their team. And that's the first basket na bukas na our Habol King. That was Juno, okay? Check. 15-second shot block. Now on Martinez, 3-point shots. Came out from the level up Lubao, the super MVP. Pass to number 9, Gerald Santos. The catch it. Deadlock 3. Now for the Nanay Bartolus Mora. Mark Camayo. Pasa kay Jenmar Bagais. Jenmar signal. Hihiwain muna yung kanyang kupunan to set that play. 10 seconds. Tosi Tansico. Pass to Mark Camayo. 1 down. Benson Discalo. 5 down. 3-point shots. Tansico missed the three. Shot by Paul Toquero. First down. Here comes Delapino. Kick out. Set up. Open three. Offensive rebound. Santos for that easy basket. Deadlock ulit tayo. 5-all. Arthur, 4 minutes gone by. Now on CJ Delpino. Balik dito kay King Arthur. Anton shot. That was foul. Ang Pampanga. King Arthur Jr. First is good. Trying to beat the Pampanga. That was the King Arthur Jr. By the referee foul on the floor. There's a new blocker right there. 3-point shots.
Ang siko na lang.
3-point shot, Sheen Spieler. Labago. Gabrielo. Here comes.
Ayun na, si CJ Delpino, may buhok na. May
3-point shots on Gian Akira. Benga. 3 points. Balik na naman tayo ng kalamangan. Balik ng dalawang puntos para po dyan sa ating bolag na Nanay Bartolus. CJ Delpino from the left to the super MVP. Elbow jumper, Justin Miss, Tosi Tansico. Potential dito yung oras sa kanilang mga key players just like Jenmar Bagais, mga veteranong kilala. And now by Tasmanian Devil all the way into 2 points. Deadlock 11. Sierra, pareho na, mga parehong kilala. Basket sa kakaman. Nadeo sa basket. Wait. Ayan na yung sinasabi natin eh. 13-11. Pero, kaya still, kaya. Di pa tayo checkmate. Buhay pa rin yung hari. For the Borak Nanay Bartolus, Jenmar Totosi. Ang siko na lang. Change favor, 14-13. Down by number 0. The King Arthur! Get the connection! What the contact! Ibang tako ng palakasan o ng bola. 16-14. We were proud to be on the top. Pass down from the right. Toxic Axing ko na naman. Defensive break para dito sa ating mga lalabaw. Justin Bautista, Super MVP. Check down the right. No inside. Yes! Nice. Move on Justin Bautista. 2 minutes game clock. Tosi find the receiver. Gian Akira tumanggap. Shot clock down. Driving down pa. Red steal. Lay pass. Here comes Justin Bautista. It's a 2-on-1. Fake back to back by the Super MVP. Oh, runner 6-point na agad para dito sa ating level up ko ba? Jenmar Bagais. Screen. Pass to Tosi. Dre. Benga. Pangatang press kay Tosi Tansico. 2017. Take out number on the left. Pakasasagutin ko si Justin Bautista Nugget. Tosi got the rebound. Tosi down the ladder. Tosi pass to the general. Bagais. Balik dito kay Tosi Tansico. Get on after that act of shooting from the 3. Number 1, three-shot style. Player substitution for the level up now. Sino yan? Just walang kukurap. Mukhang di mag-minitis. Hindi ito si Tosi Tansico. The second row is also good. Deadlock 20 for the third. Teka lang. Ano po, parang ako kumpleto ko. Tosi tansing ko yan. Perfect. 21. Well, buhay for Tosi tansing ko. Kilala na natin yung mga madalang sa Progressive People. Here's that 1 minute. The ball away by number 9. Complete. Come on. That takes away jumper. By Jerome Santos. Kaya kinikilala na rin si Jerome sa MPBL. That's Jerome mga guys! Punishment! Hindi sa nagkakaroon dito sa ating lumaw! Precious! Delicious! Nakina, passes na for the last shot ng ating 4 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Here comes Jinman Palagayas! Far down! Big love tries to beat the buzzer. Tingnan natin kay Jerome Santos. Lugo pressure and Jerome One to 6:20 is the score. Ang Lubao, second game is from the Guagua at yung Atixas 1 on Saturday din. Pompey, J.A. Yes sir. J.A. Cruz. Baseline connect for the pool of super. Apat labang ng Guagua agad dito sa second quarter natin. Number 2. Precious! Delicious! Wala pang pawis yan ha. Sarap.
Okay, boss.
Ready on 22. 7 points. Number 91. G.A. Cruz. Challenging by the King Arthur. Warning shot up. Nice cover. Naiwas ito Quero. Yes! The leading shot by Pato Quero. 25 na rin ang magandang apat. 8:50 here at point. Precious to the Cruz. Kamay! Ang bala by King Arthur. Another day for that tip in. 31-25, J.A. Cruz from 3. Look it. Offensive rebound para dito kay General Bragais. Wala pang napapapuntos. Ito si Bragais. Cross to the other side. Back to Quero. Another open. Look it. Rebound by P.J. Garcia to C.J. Delpino. Here comes the Tasmanian Devil. Hesitate. Delpino. And it's an offensive foul. Oh. Substitution. Gilmore Bragais. Pass to Toxic and Cinco. Tansingco stop and pump from 3. Look at fight to save by basket. Bragais, balik dito kay CJ Delpino. Delpino set up the attack. ISO. The deadly isolation by CJ Delpino. And yung deadly iso by Tasmanian Devil. Third and 3-20 pa bakit na nagwalo. Level up na now. Jordan Gigante now in control. 15 seconds shot clock. Drive Jordan down. Bumawi si Gigante. Tumahanap na giant Gigante. Gigante go for large. Just bonus. But they didn't complete it. It's normal Babs. 27-33. Tama ba? That was a 6. 3 minutes gone by. 3 shots and punches. Look it. Offensive rebound by P.J. Garcia. P.J. double team. That's a steal by Gigante. Gigante, toe down. Right there. Fred Giles. The Tasmanian Devil and the King Arthur. Wow. Sa depensa si CJ Delpino. Sa opensa naman, ito si King Arthur. There's a blow.
Ito pa, sana para guys.
Hindi ba ba nandiyan? SK Moore, YM1. Okay. CJ Delpino. Goal. Screen. Delpino. Pabalik ni Tasmanian Devil. Furin Lubao. 38-28 now is a double-digit 10-point lead. J-Mark Sasadon. Look good. Offensive rebound number 1. Basket. Get the basket. Hey, harang. Ito na naman yung screen. Tignan natin. Ano play between the leg. Now another goal screen. Turn around. CJ Delpino get the third. Try to scoop. No good. Defensive rebound. Babalik. Gemma Bragais. Ito na gusto ng pumutos. Delpino is the third by CJ Delpino. Delicious punches. Oh. 43, what a save by Delpino. Dahil yung Pinoy step ni General Bragais. Here comes the fight to kill by the King Arthur. Here come back for the level of Lubao. The King Arthur to Precious. Delicious. Great. 12 points. 4 minutes and 34 to 42. DJ Delfino, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Catch and shoot, Jerome Santos. Good ball! Leading his own mess. Jerome Santos. One of the improved player ng dahil up to the niya dahil nasa MVP naman na natin si Jerome Santos. 4 minutes 10 seconds. Tosing ng 5. 3-point shots. It's all. Jerome Santos will get the rebound. Apat na minuto pa tayo. Delfino, behind back. Delfino looking for his teammate. What a blind pass by Delfino! Wow! Yun yung ginawa niya sa electronic. Yung Shaolin pass. 44-34. Drive and that reverse for Gian Akira. 46 to 36. Tama ba? 10-point leads. And Precious for 3. Delicious! First half, nag-ating level up na daw. 15 seconds, Gian Akira. 40 seconds shot clock against Kalabot. Mix, nawala sa harap ni Gian Akira Cruz. Down to 10, under 5, first quarter, CJ Delfino. Press ball pass to number 0, King Arthur for 3. Look at defensive rebound natin na. Sabi ni Jenna na pagkaspi. Delfino is the Kaya naiwas sa sabutan pa tuloy speaker pa. Ang boring mo. Hindi pumasok ko boring. Kaya. Sige. Sabra. Gusto ito pag hindi na natin magila. Now by CJ. 5 down on the shot clock. Deep 3. Foul number 11 pushing foul. First is good. Second free throw for CJ Delfino. Isa pa. There's a winning point now, and it was Delfino, 51 to 36. That was a big one now, 15 points out of the Bucks. Number 9, J.A. against Jerome Santos. Pinasa, humano. Pass now to Jemar Braga. 3. At last of us, ito si Jemar Braga, guys. Nakakuha na niya yung kanyang unang field goal from downtown. That was Jemar to Jemar Braga, guys. Third, Delfino. Under 2 minutes. DJ against number 9, Switch D. Now, Patrick! Nice job once again. Assist na naman kay CJ Delfino. Alam nila, tiwala sa isa't isa yung mga shooters dito ng active level up of Jerome! Rather, Jemar Baragais will get the basket and the foul mixed to labot. Matagal na akong takot, wala. And that is an animal substitution. 54-42. Here comes for the level up the bound now. CJ Delfino, 40 on the shot clock. CJ from the right, step back, 3. Look at Jemar Baragais. Siyang narito na tayo for the general with crossover. Jemar Baragais! Ito na! Kisig na! Yung mamaw ng Mindanao! 54-44. 50 seconds remaining. Number 80, Bautista.
Bulada rep.
Under the minute to go in. From Nagdatan, Bautista. And Tarulos! Bumawi na! Ang Pilipinas Super MVP! Balik sa base ako naman! Pagkakita na ba? Back from the level of the ball. And 12, and now ball to Campbell. Basket is good. And points. 46 to 56. Tarna, our best sportsmanship will receive 100,000 pesos. 10-point leads. First half lead for the level of the bound. Now for the third, tignan natin. Magsasabay ulit ang ating bola. Roque. Pass to Santos, looking. Rebound. First station dito. The third quarter. Here comes now by Jenma.
Tositan Cinco! Open itong shooter ng Cora. Tositan Cinco!
Lead cat into 7. Agad-agad. Now by the King Arthur. There's the 3 rebound by Paul Mercado. Mark by Tosi. Open. Ito si Paul Mercado. Another open on the middle. The last best of party natin. Nahati na yung lamang. Dito na. CJ Del Pino. Rebound, 50 stroke up right now. For the Cora, babalik na yung atake. Tosi Tancinco. Tancinco drive from the right wing. Basket count, foul on number 18, Justin Bautista. Again, ang Jenma Bragay. Level up the bound. Substitution. 8-0. 10 points sa ating Lugao. Walo na agad ang dalawa na lang. And that first joint name here at the second half, third quarter for number 6. Sa ating number 91, Tosi. Minamama yung mga defense. Captain Precious, pass to the King Arthur. Heto na yung ano! They have no king! 16-54, pambawi, 4-0 run. Balik na lang ng level up the bound. Now number 27, Mark Tabayo against by CJ Delpino. To Tosi Tancinco. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Paul Mercado ang didiskarte. Laban dito kay Mix Tulabot. ISO between net fade away. Umatras, 5 down. Lumasok po na kanino. Now from the level up the bound. Here comes Delpino. Back to the super MVP. Now the lead back at 9-point leads. First and only, Jenma Bragay. Yes, the 3. Pabalik para sa ating level up the bound. King Arthur. Pinagana, foul. Respeto na sa hake. Sabi ni Tukero, foul. Semifinals pa lang yan. Napakagat pa lang ng semifinals yan. 15 retain on the shot clock. The King Arthur. And time and one. But that was a charge. May kulang. Wag na. Oh, 4 minutes gone by. 6 na minuto pa, third quarter. Jenma Bragay. Pass to Paul Mercado. Rocket. Balik sa level up now. Precious de la Cruz. Precious drive. Delicious. Now about Precious de la Cruz. Nalawan para dyan sa ating level up Lugao. 15 seconds shot up. Jenma Bragay. Bragay to Tosi. Missed the 3. And Amadas. Jump ball. Tristan Tabanggi. Will get a contact. Shooting 2 for the free throw. First line basket. And 10 points. Double. 10 points. 10 rebounds. 11 rebounds. 10 rebounds. 10 points from Jenma Bragay. Under 5. 15 seconds shot clock. Ball on the floor. 10 seconds to cover for the level up the bound. Speed. Precious we needed. That was 4 shot. 4:30. Here's the attack. Jenma Bragay. Jenma Bragay. Foul. Pero di masasaktan. Foul number 17. Di masasaktan. Substitution. Now number 1, push. Gerald Santos. Santos, 3 shots. 10 points back. 4 minutes. Kick out 3. Jenma miss. Rebound natin. Backs out nice. Para dyan kay Arvin Bautista. CJ Delpino. Pass to Gerald Santos sa cover. Gerald back to back. 57 balik sa 12. Tristan Tubangi drive and nautaan yung depensa. Together release the ball with a contact. Si Tristan Tubangi from the Bora is playing from The whole 340 on the game clock. .330, third quarter. Santos. Crossover. Santos. And time! Good sense. Tama ba, boy? Grizzly Cross. Basket for General Santos. The behind back. The crossover. Sabay preno. Malakas. Pumihan. Wow! Another 14 shot up on Precious de la Cruz. Precious looking for his teammate. Bola na Iwana. Ito na. Genmar sa Pinoy Star. Tingnan mo bagay sa mundo ng mga tao. 6-4-7 walk. Foul. Full check by Tristan Tubangi. And now Tubangi pressure for rating for his teammate number 9. Chikosi. Big lead. Kaibigan ko mga namamasato. See you bukas kung Henry. CJ Del Pino, balik agad siya. CJ, find a way. Now 10 second shot clock, Nemeng Pangan to De La Cruz. Recover, pass to Nemeng P. Pass! Take the position to Nemeng P. Dito sa semifinals. 7-3-6-7, 150. Casingo. Laban kay Justin Bautista. Depensa tapat. Now check. Recover. Tosin Casingo pass to Jim Mabragais. Red pass. 59 seconds. Best obligation. 55 remaining. Number 18 pass to Rayon de la Cruz. The super MVP. Look at Rayon de la Cruz for the marksman. Patay mo ang marksman. Napipatay ang si SC. 6-7 to 7-6, 9 points. 30 seconds remaining, number 9. Gian Aquila. Look at the rebound by Benson Escano. Control. Here comes Del Pino. Kumawala. CJ Del Pino kick out to the and super Balik sa Jose ang kalamangan. Tristan Tubangi. And that was a foul on MVP. Penalty. Pangalan ng kalapit natin. Pasuyo. Versus 12. Team substitution. CJ Del Pino. Hit the basketball. The pass to CJ Del Pino. And the piano. The Lucky Lucas 1-1 Escape 1 PTA Sandalino Ballers. Marami pa. Nandiyan sila eh. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Follow natin. Supportahan ang sariling atin. Nag-acting game number 1, CJ Del Pino, 11 kalamangan. Kanina natapos tayo ng first half is 10 points, third quarter, nagpapari natin sa yung kanilang kalamangan. Now by number 12, nice catch. The super MVP. 50 seconds shot clock, number 91, Toquero. Pass to number 9, Benzo Discano. Or rather, J. Akira, pass to Mark Tamayo, 8 down. Paul Toquero, 5 down. Catch and feed, no good. Rebound natin by Nemeng P. Now, CJ Del Pino. Ito yung mga batang Santa Cruz. CJ Del Pino, isolation, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Del Pino, kick out to Nemeng. That's good. Next points of Nemeng P. Age of 59. Ball by GA. Depensa kay Garcia. And 1 basket. Foul. Sino? Nagpapakita. Second personal foul of PJ Garcia. 72 to 85. 8 minutes for his final quarter. Justin Bautista, over by Gian Akira. Ball 18, Justin Bautista on the last bit for it to find that open under. Dito sa ilalim. Nakakuha sa full court net. 30 game up for the court. Gemma Paragais. Figure out sa kanya pa rin. Gemma! Diba? Oh, tapo na. Ayun mo yun. Sige po. Turning down. Justin Bautista pull off Lontario. No good. MVP recover. Yes, miss. Rebound down. Low the ball up pass to Gemma Bagais. Pass it for two. Toss it to Chico. CJ Del Pino for the steal. 3-on-1 situation. Del Pino pass to Justin Bautista. The three-man from the Pradera. On the shot clock. That was a hole. That was a hole. Foul on the ground, Hule. Out of Hari. Checkmate na. Foul out to Kim Arthur. 17 fouls na tayo sa pagdala. Para wala ba? Oras dito sa ating huling quarter. W on the shot clock. Tap ball, as a check, steal, back level up and down. Under the tap level, critical, last 5 minutes, brought to you by Sandy Light, Mahaba, Inulan. Now on number 17, Delpino, pass to Jaron Santos. Delpino to Mitch Tulabat, pass up to number 18, Paulit, naku, nakalusot. 4:25, here goes line number 9, Gian Cruz. Pass to Gemma Bagais, and miss it. Foul on number 11, 30-second shot clock. Gian Akira.
Nakikikwal.
That is only a 12-point lead, a lot of time here. Jaron Santos still milking the clock. Number 6 is on trouble. Wilabot, there's a steal. For the ball up, Lana Cortez Cruz. Pass to Christian Kubaki. Get a foul for England to Cruz. Yes, please, substitution. Number 9 now to CJ Del Pino. To Justin Bautista, 30-second shot clock. Justine. In 30 minutes, there's a good Catholic speed. 20 points for Justin Bautista. Now again, Bomber! Bagais! Check ball. The 35 now on CJ Del Pino. We're down by number 6. Tristan Tubangi, pass to the general. Gemma Bagais.
Time out.
Captain to it. Si Coach Keps kung may mount to play sigurado. Diba? Nakita ko yun, Coach Keps. Nakita ko yun. Forward play passable. To Coach Keps, fucking missed the bonus. Rebound out by CJ Del Pino. Okay, cover one pass in your signal. Hold on top of it. Good. We are now entering to the twilight zone of the game. This is the last 2 minutes. Number 1, Tubagi. Alvarez. Yes, as the last minute screen. Watch by the Capitana. Hooker Cup 2024.
Kaya pasok.
Reverse. Tidak wala offensive rebound. Ito ang number. Coba ating Bartlett. 95-87. That's the Paul Pagano. One pick. Back to drive. Kika. Set up. Kika. Kira. Perfect. Appreciate. Kika. Kika. Get the break. Kika. Kika. okay. Kick out. Oh, sige, Lucia, huwag natin papatayin yung momentum ha. Huwag natin papatayin. No time out na sila. Number 10. Leicester Leonard. Napor. Tulawad. Pass to CJ Garcia. Rather, CJ Delpino. 1-10. And now they are now wisely melting the clock. 40 seconds on the short clock. It's an offensive foul. For Gerald Tulawad. Rather, Darren Santos. It's an offensive foul. Team ball number 4. Substitution. That's football. Substitution. One number 4, 1 minute and 3. That is only a 6. Hey! That is a backdoor. Ako naman pagkalawanan pa rin. Kaya na. Okay, good call by the referee. That was a good call by the referee, Coach Gibbs. Yung kanyang point of origin, tama ba? Yung kanyang point of origin ay nandito sa backcourt and he returned from the front and he returned from the backcourt. That was a backcourt violation. 40-second shot clock. That was a good. 1 minute. 10 down. 5 down. That's me. Rebound. Here comes the Magenta Rice. Nagmamadali. Down. Ayan, sabi ng ating mga players from the level up. Jennifer Bragais, wala ka sa Mindanao. Nasa Lubao. Mark the mile. Pass to Tosi, release the 3. Rings out, so luck is off. And this is it. 10 seconds remaining. Run number 4, Homie Navajo skips. Homie, our best player.